What up, everybody? How's it going? Alright, so I got some more information for you guys on the new Makita Tools coming out. The new 40 volt and 80 volt line. Click on brands, go to Makita, and this is at AcmeTools. There are some items that you can actually purchase now for pre-order. And some items you can actually order right now, like the adapter. There's quite a bit of stuff in here. This is the 3/4 inch impact wrench, which you can pre-order. The specs are actually kind of interesting on this one. 1,510 foot-pounds of nut busting torque and 1,330 foot-pounds of fastening torque. If that does do 1,330 pounds, it'd be very interesting and forward. Be very impressive if it even does 1,510 nut busting. But if it does, it would be the new king of the hill, because it would whoop the new Milwaukee 3/4. It'll not new, but it'll whoop the Milwaukee 3/4, which is like 1,000 foot-pounds fastening and like 1,400 something nut busting, because I have 3/4 Milwaukee. I have the 1-key model of it. Flexible joint isolates the battery from the grip to help reduce wear on the battery, which the M18 versions have that as well. Outsmart 3 forward and 3 reverse auto stop modes for increased efficiency. 4-speed power selector, 0 to 950, 0 to 1,150, 0 to 1,400, 0 to 1,800, 0 to 1,900, 0 to 2,200, 0 to 2,400, and 0 to 2,500 impacts per minute. It's pretty nice. Compact length at 8.5 inches. And the release on most of these is April 21st. So you guys will be getting your hands on some of this stuff a lot sooner than you think. So we're on April 4th. What is today? Yeah, we're in April 4th, so it's not really that far away. It's a couple weeks. 1,250 inch-pounds of maximum torque. 35% faster drilling speed compared to the Makita 18-volt LXT cordless hammer. Half-inch hammer driver. 0 to 650 and 0 to 2,600. Scroll back to the last page. Just figured I'd give you guys some information on these. Give me a second. $269 for bare tool for the what looks like the 3/8 or half-inch. Nope, 3/8. This one's the half-inch. It's $3.99. 3/4, $5.99. We do have kits with 2 batteries, $3.99. 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. The rapid charger for the impact driver, as well as the hammer drill. That's what they have available for That, and you look at the 10 1/4 inch rear handle saw. This looks like the 36 volt model, the two 18-volt battery style, just with one battery. So this is the 7 1/4, one single battery. So it's basically a 36 volt, because the 40 volt is actually a 36 volt technically. It's 40 volt nominal, 36 volt operating. So this one is pretty much just like this guy right here, the X2 7 1/4 circular saw that runs two 18-volt batteries. The only difference, that one runs at 36 volts. Except this one just takes one 40-volt battery. 6,400 RPM. Bevel angle up to 53 degrees. Positive stops at 22.5 and 45. So that is nice. Let's see. I think this is a 10 1/4 inch. This is a rear handle style. $4.99. That's pretty nice to see a lot bigger saw. 10 1/4 inch circular saw. 4,000 RPMs. Material in a single path with an extra large cutting capacity of 3 inches and 3/4 of an inch. Up to 56 degree bevel. 22.5 and a 45 degree stops. That is pretty nice. Bare tool, it is $3.49 for the 10 1/4. So for an extra $150, you get a battery charger and a bag. And I definitely would say, if you're gonna buy these, buy the kits for the extra cost. What else? Angle grinders. We have a big boy right here. 7 and 9 inch. Bare tool is $309. 9-inch paddle switch with electric brake. Spiral bevel gears. Smoother rotations. Not seeing what the RPM is though. .5/8 by 11, which is a standard arbor. There's no RPM rating on it though. There's quite a bit in here you guys can look at. Rotary hammers, just the batteries. Click accessories. A lot of these accessories are basically the 18-volt variants. Normal light you see on 18-volt. Radio. Fan. What about batteries and chargers? So the charger, the Rapid Optimum charger, is $120. So it's a good deal when you buy it in the kit with a battery and the tool. So the Makita 18-volt LXT adapter for the AGT chargers is $34. You can actually add this one to the cart. It says currently out of stock, so you can basically add it to the cart and purchase it now, though, because AcmeTools you can actually add to cart and purchase items out of stock. Unlike like Home Depot, you can't do that. $149 for the 2.5 amp hour. The 4 amp hour is $199. So I'm thinking the 5 amp hour is probably going to be in the $249 range for the 5 amp hour. Because there is going to be a 5 amp hour. It's just not listed right now. Rotary and Demolition Hammers, 1 9/16. They have a 1 inch. One and an eighth. $15B AVT bear tool. It's a 15-pound demolition hammer. 0 to 2,650 beats per minute and 9.4 foot-pounds of impact energy. SDS Max. This is a big boy. That one you can pre-order. So when it has the green button on AcmeTools, you can pre-order. I will definitely provide links down below in the description if you guys want to check any of these things out. I'll probably just provide just a link to the page, and you guys can scroll through whatever tools you want to look at. They are going to have combo kits as well. 1, 2, 3 tool with a flashlight, and I'm one of those people that thinks that anything that's an extension of your hand or anything that helps you do something is a tool. So in my opinion, a light is technically a tool because it helps you see in the dark, or it helps you see things that are in the dark, even if it's bright outside. So you have it, the light, impact driver, hammer drill, and circular saw, 2 batteries, bag, and a rapid charger for $6.39, which isn't bad. Light, impact driver, hammer drill. Instead of the circular saw, you're getting the recip, 2 batteries, charger, or 2 batteries, yeah, the charger and a bag for $6.49. They have a smaller one, which is just the impact driver and the hammer drill, 2 batteries, charger, and a bag for $4.49, which isn't bad. That's what's showing up at the moment on AcmeTools. I know ToolNut and a couple other places, they have different variants of the combo kits. Ohio Power Tools is also another one. I'll put links down below for Ohio Power Tools, AcmeTools. Probably put a link for ToolNut. But just wanted to show you guys a little updates. So April 21st looks like the release date. So this month, in 18 or so days. I do appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates if you guys like these update videos and tool looks. Check out my Amazon affiliate links, my AcmeTools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I also do down below have a Ulsa Tools link. You click on that, it'll get you 10% off your order at Ulsa Tools. It also kicks me back 10% off my next order from Ulsa Tools. So if you use it, it does help me out, and I do appreciate it. It helps me bring tools to the channel for you guys. And if you don't need it, no big deal. I do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!